Lonnie Fox, inventory manager at Lichtsinn RV.
How long have you worked here?
I've worked here for 38 years, since 1987.
What is your favorite thing about working here at Lichtsinn RV?
I enjoy helping guests buy parts and meeting new guests and helping people go camping.
If you went on a week-long RV trip, where would you go?
I'd probably go out west, like Glacier or Yellowstone or something like that. I haven't been there for a while. So.
And what do you like doing in your free time when you are not at work?
I enjoy spending time with my wife and our animals, our 6 cats and a dog, and also tinker with antique tractors.
Well, thank you.